I'm gonna tell you something boring. I wanna hear just what you'd say, even if I'd heard it all before just yesterday. And even if you wanna kittens and I'm allergic, I won't mention. I've gotten used to the discomfort, so why can't you be? She's got money, she's not into me. I could never be the guy that she could ever see. And we could have it all, still she wants some more. Even when I make her breakfast, she's a cannibal.
Oh, it's on, baby! Getting your first try.
Yeah, can you do a Instagram story?
Okay, I'll go down there and shoot an Instagram story.
Even when I make her breakfast, she's a cannibal.
Dude, that was sick, man. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm gonna go do the same thing. Can you film?
She's in heaven 24/7, and I'm lonely, did I mention? She can tell I'm taking chances, but won't tell me what romance is. And I'm unfit at 24, looking just like my uncle, but I can play the song guitar to no Wonderwall. She's got money.
The girls team is stronger today.
And we could have it all, still she wants some more. I wish I could make her jealous, even care at all. Get peppers on the weekend, sticks and stones with my best friend. You've got gold but you could bet in, but while we're here we're complaining. You got diamonds and a nose ring, off my mortgage and I'm towing. And I heard head shake's amazing, but why go out when you can go in?
Another terrible day in the office, brother.
Where are we?
We're on the way to Manta Point.
Manta Point, Komodo National Park.
Pam pam pam.
Get it. It's crazy. So insane.
Why go out when you can go in?
epic trip in the books for Indonesia. I absolutely love that country. There's still so much more to explore, and hope you guys enjoyed the video this week. Big shout out to LifeProof for sponsoring this week's video. It's really cool to work with a company that, you know, I've been using their products for years now, and I just got their new fray case for my iPhone 11 Pro. And you know, if I'm going to be spending $1,400, which is just ridiculous, on a phone, I'm going to want something that's going to protect it well. And you know, even though most phones are waterproof nowadays, having this extra little bit of protection on the phone is kind of a no-brainer, especially around salt water. I've seen so many people break their waterproof phones in salt water. It absolutely just eats everything. So big shout out to them for sponsoring this week's video. If you want to get one of these cases, I'll have that linked in the description below, and you can use the discount code Chris20 for 20% off your purchase. And yeah, go check them out. Really good phone cases. Honestly, you're not gonna smash a phone with one of these bad boys on. Phew! On to the next adventure. I'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna get so much shit for this in the comment section. I don't hate my job though. It is pretty fun sometimes.